Hey y'all, Mr. Swaim here. I've got a John Deere 5075E and a John Deere 448 4x4 round baler. And I just purchased this round baler, and it has 4 hydraulic hoses coming from it. 2 operate the door that opens and closes to spit the round bale out, and the other 2 operate the arms that have the twine on it going left and right. And my tractor here only has, take a look, it only has 2 hydraulic connections in the back, but if you come up here to the loader, it has 4. So I was trying to figure out how to connect all 4 of these lines to my tractor without having to buy the extra 2 valves. It's a pretty expensive part, and since this all operates on the same hydraulic system, came to me that if I could just extend the lines up to my loader, then I could operate this without having to buy anything but extra hydraulic hoses. So I took these 2 ends off and went to the local man that deals with hydraulic hoses. You could go to any place that has and makes hydraulic hoses, and he made me my extensions. So I took these 2 parts, and I have 1/4 inch hydraulic lines, and he had that there, and then he put on the end of it these connections right here. So originally I will put these 2 that will open and close my baler. I will connect them to the back of my tractor, and that will operate off of this switch right up here, which is right here. This switch right here to the right of my seat will open and close the baler, and I'm going to use my tilt on my loader to operate the other hydraulic lines. So all you need is 2 adjustable wrenches, and then you will take and connect these 2 together like so. Now we'll snug these up. But twist that one on, twist this one on, and I did take a picture of this. And then these 2 lines will run on this part. I do have an open face tractor. Those 2 lines will run up here. I got 10 foot of line just to make sure that I had enough. Just a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to, all you gotta do to disconnect these is pull that up, pop that one off, pull that one up, pop that one off, and these 2 will sit right there, and I will be able to operate the twine with my stick right there. Total cost for these hydraulic lines and the connections from the local man was $92. John Deere wanted $700 for just the hoses, and then they wanted $1,800 to add 2 here and also do the labor. So that right there will make this baling machine work. Again, take a look at the connection there to extend, and that's all there is to it. Impacting thousands of lives, making it happen on the farm.